for this?
I don't think Danny likes me very much.
So gay and you don't even like
Am I not attracted to gay guys?
No, you don't even like. No, you don't
You didn't.
even like.
Am I attracted to gay guys? You didn't answer my question. Do you find me attractive?
So gay and you don't even like boys. No, you don't even like. No, you don't. I whip my hair back and forth. 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 I whip my hair.
Oh my God!
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la.
Damn, girl! It's a sexy bitch. A sexy bitch. Damn, it's a sexy bitch. Damn, girl!
Meet Ophelia, from Shakespeare's Hamlet. She is about to take her own life. This fate could have been avoided if she had a sassy gay friend.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Baby, you're a firework.
Guess who's back again? Shady's back. Tell a friend.
All my life I've been good, but now I'm thinking what the hell. All I want is to mess around, and I don't really care about if you love me, if you hate me.
That blonde chick's a dude? Oh, man.
Look out for Cruella de Vil.
But I do think I'm in more control now, especially since things are good with Allison.
I'm aware of how good things are with Allison. They really do.
Thank you, I know. I mean, really good.
Alright, I get it. Just please shut the hell up before I have the urge to maim and kill myself.
First orgasm of the morning.
Stop me now.
I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball.
Don't stop me now.
If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call.
Don't stop me
'Cause I'm having a good time.
Don't stop me
Yes, I'm having a good time. I don't wanna stop at all. Yeah.
Mountain Ash!
I'm bad, jump on. You know I'm bad, you know it. We are so gonna hook up. I think we look hot, totally hot.
Ugly bitches!
I just had sex. Lonely.
Whatever you want, there's other ways to get it.
I just want to not eat lunch alone every day.
I have nobody for my own.
I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again.
When will my reflection show who I am inside?
You're all I ever wanted. You're beautiful.
Get back, motherfucker! You don't know me like that!
Are you gonna add me as a friend?
No, Dad, I really don't want to get more into it.
So I'm not your friend then?
You want me to put my dingling into your fairy cave? Are you mad, woman?
This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot.
Say one word.
Shut up and sleep with me, come on. Why don't you sleep with me? Shut up and sleep with me, come on. And sleep with me, shut up.
You're all I ever wanted. You're beautiful.
Get back, motherfucker! You don't know me like that!
Where's my sandwich? I don't know how, but you're gonna get me another sandwich, or I'm gonna cut your face up so bad you'll have a chin.
Sexual eruption. Sexual eruption. Sexual eruption. Sexual eruption.
I shall call him Squishy, and he shall be mine, and he shall be my Squishy.
Motherfucker, I'm awesome. No, you're not, dude. Don't lie.
Sexual eruption. Sexual
maybe it's less frightening if we...
What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? They said my lip gloss is popping, my lip gloss is cool. All the boys keep jocking, they chase me after school. I'm gonna make you love me. Oh, yes I will. Yes I will. I'm gonna make you love me. Oh, yes I will.
I love him.
You love him? You met him Sunday. It's barely Thursday morning. Slow down, crazy.
Love makes you crazy.
Yeah, I would say so. Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou Romeo? Translation? Desperate, desperate. I am really desperate.
I'm a grown woman.
I think you're 14 and you're an idiot.
Overload, overload, it's so cute, overload. Don't you want to take us home? Cute, 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 overload, 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 it's so cute, overload. Don't you want to take us home? Cute, 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 overload.
Oh my God, your penis is so big.
Jackson, did you still want to discuss your paper?
What the fuck?
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Baby, don't hurt me.
Girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun.
Nom 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 nom.
What's your problem, Harry?
My parents are dead, my life sucks, I can't hold down a girlfriend, and I'm surrounded by f***ing goblins and shit all the time. I mean, what the f***?
I now pronounce you husband and husband. You may kiss the husband.
Have you ever been in love? He's my best friend, best of all best friends. Do you have a best friend too? He tickles in my tummy, he's so yummy, yummy. Hey, you should get a best friend too.
By sunset, I'll be the new emperor, and I will be the master of the whole universe.
She's got style, she's got grace, she's a winner. She's a lady. Oh, 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 she's a lady. And the lady is mine.
I'm gonna help you stop him as part of your pack. I've done everything that you've asked of me. I'm part of Derek's pack.
Quit playing games with my heart. With my heart. Is there a ghost in my house? Where you from? You sexy thing, you.
Why didn't you tell me? Because you might be an alpha, but you're not mine.
Quit playing games with my heart. With my heart. Can't touch this.
Hamlet loves me no more.
So we kill ourselves? Instead of drowning yourself, you're gonna write a sad poem in your journal and move on. P.S. This is the best your hair has ever looked.
Maybe it was my blood on the door. Could have been animal blood. You know, maybe you caught a rabbit or something. And did what? Ate it. Wrong. No, you stuck to bake it in a little werewolf oven. I don't know, you're the one who can't remember anything.
Mr. Stilinski.
This one. I'm still tired. Let's go back to sleep.
Girl, you look better with the lights on. Better with the lights on. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
I don't get it.
Dark hair, bedroom eyes, moody demeanor. I totally get it.
Nice camera.
I just take pictures.
And just lacrosse or other things.
Anything that catches my eye.
And I'll kick you in the face! You'll drop like a pussy! Pussy!
My boyfriend's back and you're gonna get in trouble. Hey la, my boyfriend is
Think we'll be friends forever? You're not even listening to me, are you? Forever? That's what I thought.
Just doesn't feel right. No, you're not backing out. Do you want to know why? Because you and Allison are obviously having quite a good time together. And you know who else wants to have a good time? Styles. Styles wants to have a good time. Many times. Several times in a row. In several different positions.
Oh, my father will hear about this.